Investing with IG funds, Australia can be completed through a fully online process. Here's how to get started. Visit www.igfunds.com.au and click Invest with Us. You'll be directed to the OLIVIA123 portal. Register using your details or log in if you already have an account. To register, start a new application to begin. On the prerequisites page, enter your details. Then select your investor type, confirm whether you are a new or existing investor, and choose your entity type. Download the information memorandum, agree to the required terms, and proceed. In Module 1, complete your personal details, regulatory information, and investment details, including fund selection and investment amount. Provide your source of funds, bank account details, and communication preferences. In Module 2, complete the identity verification process and upload the required documents. In Module 3, review your application, read and agree to the declarations, then submit. You will then receive a confirmation along with a checklist to track your application. If we require any more information, we will reach out to you. For more information, visit www.igfunds.com.au.